Hello everybody, welcome back, FarmPlayer here. And yeah, today we're going to have a look on this nice 4-wheel combination lock from Stabilit. It's some German retailer, but it's a Chinese made lock. And yeah, this is good for locking up your locker in the gym or so. And I will show you what it's like to decode this thing if you don't know the combination. It came in this box, so security rating 4 out of 10. Stabilit is, as mentioned, a German reseller, I think. And it is made in PRC and not much more info except how you reset the combination. So right now it's set to all zeros, and yeah, somewhat similar to an ABUS 16540. It has false gates on every second number, so basically if you look on this last wheel, this will catch on 2 now, while I can just pass 3 and it will catch again on 4. And if this wheel would have been set to an odd number, then it would catch on the odd numbers and so on. So let me show you how you decode this. First of all, let's set a combination that I don't know. So just scramble the wheels. And just make sure everything is on a gate. Okay, or on a number more to say. And then scramble again. And now I don't know the combination to this lock. And let's try to find it. First of all, you try to make all the wheels bind by just turning them and hoping that you find out either it's an odd or an even number. At this point you want to get them in just any gate. And I think that's it now. Yeah. So you can test your gates if you're uncertain now. I think this is odd, even, odd, odd. But let's give it a try. We go to 2, and if I can turn to 3, yeah. This one is odd, that's for sure. And here, same test. And again, for this wheel. And for this wheel. So we now know the wheels are odd number, even number, odd number, odd number. And now we start playing. So you pull on the shackle and then you just wiggle on the wheels, and the one that's binding the most, this is the one you want to play with. And currently these two are the toughest to turn. And this got better already. So let's see. Okay. Let's try this wheel. Better. Oh, this one is bad again. Sometimes it's a big back and forth. No, let's stay with 2 here. Oh no, this one is binding very tightly. Let's test the odd numbers on this one. We started at 9, which was not good. And I think 5, no, 3 not. I think 1 feels best here on this wheel. And let's try 3. Let's try 5, yeah. And yeah, in my experience, it's always that easy. So how long will it take me? A minute or so. So you can do that very quickly. So if you lose your combination, just go wheel by wheel and feel for the wheel that is binding the most, and you will find the combination very quickly. So I hope that helps. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye!